classy, independent. She got her own, she never steer you wrong. If you're trying to get right, little mama's your type. You know she got a lifestyle, right? Yeah.
Hey everyone, it's Tiffanieray. Today's hair is from Jessie's Wig. This is their 13x4 22-inch lace front wig. I got it in the color dark wine red. The length that I chose is 22 inches. And this is also their HD lace. I'll be showing you guys from start to finish how I created the complete look from me cutting it, also to how I got these curls. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So this is what the hairline looks like. It already comes pre-plucked. The only thing I did was bleach the knots. This is the glue that I'm using. As you can see, it is clear. I just apply a small layer of glue and then I just blow dry it on the cool and hot setting. And the only thing I just do is just pull the lace down to lady wig. This is real simple and easy to do. As I mentioned before, this is their HD lace, so the better you lay the wig cap underneath it, the less you will actually see it. So you can see it looks very natural, and the only thing that you would have to do is glue the wig down. I do prefer using the glue instead of the got-to-be spray just because the hair in the front of the hairline doesn't get hard. Now that I'm done laying my hair, I decided to go with a side part. I really haven't been feeling the baby hair, so I just decided to leave it like this just because I feel like it looks really natural. I did go over with my chai iron guard spray to protect it from the heat, and then I just started cutting the hair to give it some layers in the front just because it was all one length. Just using my hot rollers to style my hair. I prefer these rollers over a flat iron or a curling iron just to give it more volume because I really love the bouncy look that it gives you. It leaves the hair extremely soft, and once it's done, it just looks like a fresh blowout. left them in for about 30 minutes and then I did my makeup, and here I am. At first I wasn't going to do my makeup because I wasn't feeling too well, but I just figured I needed to like end the video. And now I'm just taking the rollers out, and y'all, look how these curls look. I love using these rollers. The hair is extremely soft and I haven't experienced any shedding. I really love the dark wine color that they have. They also have different lengths on their website that you can choose from. And also, if you don't want the frontal option, they also have this wig available in the closure. You guys have to let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this new color. I must say I really like it. I don't think it's too bright. I just think it's perfect. My sister did tell me that I look older with this hair color, but I really love it. I also love how the curls had turned out. Also, all my wigs that I usually show you guys, I have them for sale on my other IG hair page. It's called Lux Hair, so make sure to check that out. This wig is from Jessie's Wig. I'll make sure to put all of the links in the description box down below. Just wanted to say thank you for supporting me. If you haven't liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell because I will be uploading more often again. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Tiffanieray, and I'd love to have you guys on there as well. I love y'all. Bye.